Hi people, so today we are on the cottonmouth snake. I'm this close. Okay, so this is the cottonmouth snake. It is also known as water moccasin, one of the few venomous snakes found in North America. So in this video we are watching the handler as he carefully transfers the snake from one enclosure to another. So one of the questions that may come up is why the name Cottonmouth. So the name Cottonmouth, it gets the name from the white inside of its mouth, and it's normally shown when the snake feels threatened. So that's where the name Cottonmouth comes from. So the other name is Water Moccasin. You notice how calm but cautious the guide is during handling, because one wrong move could be dangerous. It could be dangerous. So let me know in the comment section if you ever seen a water moccasin this close. Have you ever been so close? Watch how the guide carefully moves it. It's definitely not for the faint-hearted. Nah. I'm actually scared. But I had to actually gather some courage. Remember, this is a venomous snake. It's a venomous snake and it's actually deadly. So when one is bitten by the cottonmouth, it's actually a hemotoxic, meaning their venom destroys the blood cells and tissue, causing severe pain, swelling. It affects blood clotting, hence there's a risk of internal bleeding. So it's not neurotoxic like the black mambas, not cytotoxic. Yeah, so these are deadly. I'm glad I came this close. Would you? So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section, would you come this close? Goodbye for now.